In this video, we will learn how to create QR code for collecting feedback from customers. Feedback is very important for any business like hotels, hospital, or coffee shop. User can just scan a QR code and leave the feedback, which will help enhance the user experience. So let's get started. First of all, search for Google Forms. Now, sign in. We already have Gmail account, so we signed in. Click on blank form and enter the title for this form. In our case, it's Bliss Cafe, as we are creating for a cafe. Now, you are required to enter a short information. You can bold the title. Next, we will start adding the questions. First, choose the right type, like in our case, it's short answer, and enter the question like, what is your name? Now, click the required toggle. Click on plus icon to add another question. The next question is, how was your experience in our cafe? Now we will choose the type, rating. The user can leave their rating. You can choose star, heart, or like button. We will keep the 5-star option. You can even choose 10 stars. Let's keep 5 stars and make sure to choose required option. Now click again on the plus icon to add another question like, what did you order? And choose the right type like short answer. Similarly, we will keep adding more questions. Once you are done, click on the publish button and publish the Google form. Now click on the preview icon to preview the actual Google form. Now we will go back to form page. Click on the responses option. You can link the responses to a Google Sheet. The responses will be collected in the Google Sheet. Then click on settings and make sure to choose the appropriate options. Under responses, you can choose to collect user emails or even do not collect. There are many other important settings. Once you're done, click on the plus user icon and make sure to change the responder view anyone with the link. So anyone with the link can respond to this form. Now click on the link icon and copy the shortened link. Now open a new tab and search for qrgenerator.org. As we will be creating a QR code for this form, choose the link option and paste the Google form link here. The QR code will be created automatically. You can add customization as you like, but it's optional. There are many customization options such as colors, frames, design, logo, etc. These are not necessary but optional. You can change the logo size or choose your own logo. You can also add frames around the QR code. Once done, click on the Save button, then download in your required format. Once downloaded, open the QR code. Now let's test it with the QR scanner app. You can see we scanned the QR code and it redirected us to that feed collection form. User can simply fill out this form and submit the response. Now let's go back and see the responses. You can see we have one response which we added ourselves to verify that the form is working. I hope this video will help you to collect feedback which will enhance the user experience and will help you to improve your services as well. Thanks for watching the video.